Okay, everyone, you are gonna love our final segment. We're heading just down the road from campus to the headquarters of Larson Motorsports. Here, we're gonna meet up with Loghan Ashline. She's a junior majoring in business administration and has quite the passion for the world of racing. And she's gonna tell us how all the opportunities at Florida Tech come together by connecting students' academic interests with their career goals, often leading to dream jobs. Loghan, please take it away.
Hello, everyone. There are so many reasons to choose Florida Tech. For me, it's the opportunity to get career experience working at a unique organization that I wouldn't be able to find at any other university in the world. I chose Florida Tech so that I could get involved with Larson Motorsports. They design, fabricate, and race jet dragsters, and they're an official university partner. As a freshman business major, I started interning here at the Larson Motorsports headquarters. It was so amazing to me that I could start getting career experience with a world-renowned race team as a first-year business student. After my first semester, I received a paid position here at Larson Motorsports in their business and marketing department. Every day, I get to work closely with the company owners, Chris and Elaine Larson, as well as fellow students to help bring these fire-breathing dragsters to life. Larson Motorsports is just one example of the kinds of unique companies that Florida Tech students get to work with. I have friends who are working at internships all over the Space Coast. As for me, I'm getting the experience of a lifetime being able to apply the business and marketing skills that I learn in class every day to my job here at Larson Motorsports. When I travel with the team to races, I even have the privilege of putting my boss, two-time world championship winning driver Elaine Larson, on the start line. I'm living my dream here at Florida Tech, and every day it just keeps getting better. Florida Tech has given me the opportunity of a lifetime to be able to intern and work at my dream job. Alex, back to you.
Loghan, that was amazing. What you were able to work on at Larson Motorsports is simply incredible. I'm jealous, and I hope I get to come watch one of your races soon. That was awesome. Thanks again, Loghan.